Hello and welcome to Waltz Basic Plus lessons. Here we explore basic waltz figures and also interesting basic choreographies. And today we will look at progressive chasse to right and steps 4 to 6 of natural turn. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Romance and Violetta. So as you know, natural turn is very basic figure. We will use second part of natural turn, and before that we will dance progressive chasse to right. So man starts with left foot, forward, side, close, side, and now we lead partner outside and dance back to side and close. Now let's look at Romance and Violetta. So we start with progressive chasse to right. Notice man's head weight here, and then natural turn, ending of natural turn. Very good. Now let's look at opposite angle and with teaching count. And 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. And now let's look to another basic figure we will use in our today's choreography, which is open telemark. So, as you know, lady will dance step back, closing heel turn, and to side in promenade. Very good. From opposite angle. Notice head weight, classical version for man, is to keep head to left all the time. Very good. Now let's look at more advanced version. So man will have head weight to right at end of first step, so head weight to right, and then change in promenade to left. Let's look again, this time with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3. And now let's put together 3 figures like close change, open telemark, and chasse from promenade position. So man starts with close change with right foot, then open telemark and chasse from promenade position. Very good. Let's look again from opposite angle with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. And now let's put together what we have until now. So we will start with progressive chasse to right, then natural turn, close change, open telemark, and chasse from promenade position. Very good. Let's look again, this time with teaching count. And 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Now let's look at natural spin turn, which we will use for beginning of routine. So we dance natural spin turn. So we can have 3 possibilities of ending. This is under turned version, this is regular version, and this is overturned version. We will use today under-turn version of natural spin turn. So we will start with preparation step, then natural spin turn, under-turned and reverse turn ending. Very good, let's do it again, this time with teaching count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, and now let's put whole routine together. So we start with preparation step, then natural spin turn, reverse turn ending, progressive chasse to right, natural turn ending, close change, open telemark and chasse from promenade position. Very good, and now with teaching count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. And now to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.